Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to see yet another very simple and beautiful elegant design which is more and more economic. Anybody can do this design. Such a lovely design I am going to share with you today. Shall we go to the video? For this saree only we are going to make a designer blouse, and this saree is of golden border both the sides, and it is completely woven with the triangles of different shades of green. There are nearly 3 to 4 shades of green, but looking so grand. And see the pallu, and the pallu has a very simple pattern, but the grandness is unbelievable. And this is the blouse. It's a green color blouse. A single shade of green is used and has a border on the sleeve, and I have stitched this with a normal round neck. And these are the material required to complete this design. I have two colors of sieving thread. One is golden and another one is the same green as the blouse and saree, and the Fevicryl gum, double strand stone chain I have, and two beautiful patches. Patches left to your choice. Whatever available in your locality, you can go for the best of that. Ensure that the cost also not exceeding 70 rupees. And I just now draw two lines from the shoulder right side of the blouse, and it is exactly 1.5 inches from the neckline, and it is drawn with two different length. One is shorter and another one is longer one, and fix the two materials patches what you have in different ways, so that go for the best which satisfies you. And I am satisfied with these two sets. One is turning towards the center of the neck and another one is little away from that. Now I am just seeing the beauty when I fix the double strand stone chain as an hanging from the top of the shoulder. Yes, it's good. So let us see the second one also. Second one is placed, and it is also giving support to the position of the leaf which I kept. Now it's our job to fix it, either with the gum or with the needle and thread we can fix it. But this particular double strand what I bought has a base of plastic which can be ironed from the back side, but I am not going to iron it. The ironing will make it no more film on the blouse, which cannot be detached again and redo. So that I am just stitching with the same color thread. Since it is transparent at the bottom, if I use the same colored thread, it is not visible. So invisible stitches we can give nicely, and firmly it will be fixed, and it is durable. Anytime you can detach and do any repair. And this strands won't be damaged even after washing. I checked with many of my blouses, so you can buy the same kind of stone chains. And now I am applying gum and fixing the two patches, applying only little gum, not excess, because after that I am going to make safety stitches all over the leaf. See, they are fixed nicely. Now see, I have the golden colored thread which will support the color of the patches, so they can be invisible. It's little difficult to show to the video how I stitch them, but actually I fix them on the frame, and it is easy for me to stitch, because doing something on stitched blouse is a little difficult. So one or two stitches I show you. Later I fix them with a very small frame, then my job will be easy. Now what I am doing is making decoration to the whole neckline at the back and also the front neck. Again I am not sticking it or ironing it. It is the same green colored thread which is going to be invisible all over the lace, and it's normal running stitch, anybody can stitch it. Now I have two length of same stone chains, and I am fixing them on the sleeves, so it will give a very good support system to the back neck design what we have done already. Again stitch it. If you are going to stitch your blouse on your own, then do this sleeves and all the stitching work first itself, and then you can go for stitching, because folded sleeves gives me some difficulty in stitching the lace. Now it is the chakri and rhinestone. This is your choice. I wanted to fill the whole body of the blouse, so that I am doing this, otherwise the side design itself is enough. So randomly I placed some mark, it's not measured, just I see and then marked it, that's all. And now I am fixing the chakri first with the thread. Either you can stick it or stitches, but I go for stitching it to give more durability to the design. So I am just inserting the chakri there. One tag is ready and giving the next tag, so it is fixed so firmly on the blouse. Now apply excess glue at the center of the chakri and press the rhinestones at the center. Your design is ready. Like this you do for all the dots what we marked. This is the finished look of the blouse. It's very nice and I love this design, and I am proud to have this design in one of my collections. Beautiful, no? All can try. So today itself please go to the shop, get your desired patches, select the suitable saree and finish this design, and send your finished design to my WhatsApp number, which will be coming in the screen. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.